In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find organic traffic data in Google Analytics. Understanding your organic traffic is crucial for analyzing how your website is performing and identifying which strategies are working to attract visitors. So let's dive in and walk through the process together. First, head over to Google Analytics. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the home page, which is often referred to as the Analytics home. This page provides an overview of your website's performance, but for a more detailed insight into organic traffic, we need to delve a bit deeper. Next, look for the navigation panel on the left-hand side of the screen. Here, you'll want to click on Reports. This section is where you'll find a comprehensive array of data about your website's visitors, their behavior, and much more. Clicking Reports will take you into the heart of Google Analytics, where all the detailed information is stored. Once you're in the Reports section, your next step is to locate traffic acquisition. Traffic acquisition is a critical area because it breaks down how users are arriving at your site, whether through organic search, paid ads, direct links, or referrals. Click on Traffic Acquisition to get a closer look at these details. As you navigate to the Traffic Acquisition section, you'll see various metrics and channels that contribute to your website's traffic. To focus specifically on organic traffic, look for the default channel grouping or a similar metric within this section. Here, you can filter the data to show only organic search traffic, which represents the visitors who found your site through search engines like Google or Bing without any paid advertisements. It's important to take your time to explore the different dimensions and metrics available. Google Analytics provides a wealth of information, including the number of sessions, new users, bounce rate, and average session duration. These insights can help you understand not only how many people are visiting your site through organic search, but also how they are interacting with your content. Be sure to regularly check this data to track trends over time. By doing so, you can identify patterns in user behavior and adjust your SEO strategies accordingly. This will help you maintain or even increase your organic traffic, ensuring your website continues to grow and reach more people. And there you have it, a straightforward guide to finding and analyzing your organic traffic data in Google Analytics. By following these steps and regularly monitoring your reports, you'll gain valuable insights into your website's performance and be better equipped to make informed decisions about your digital marketing efforts. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tutorials.